Nail art is more than personal expression. It has significance in various industries and professional settings. The nail care industry, including salons and nail technicians, relies heavily on nail art. It's a significant source of revenue and a way of different services. Nail art is an integral part of the fashion and beauty industry. It's commonly featured in photo shoots, runway shows, and beauty magazines. Nail art is used in marketing and branding various products and services, showcasing nail polish, colors, and promoting nail care products. The increasing interest in nail art has created career opportunities for nail technicians and artists, allowing them to specialize in nail art and become sought after professionals in the beauty industry. Nail art has gained significant popularity recently, and its importance goes beyond just making your nails look better. Nail art is a way to express yourself, be creative, and be artistic, and make a fashion statement. In this video, we are gonna tell you nail art is essential, looking at its visual and emotional significance. What is the importance of aesthetics? One of the main and more clear reasons why nail art matters is that it can improve the appearance and style of your nails. Whether you prefer a classic French manicure to intricate hand-painted designs, nail art allows you to show your personality and style. It's also an excellent way to complete your overall look, similar to the right accessories. A well-done manicure can complement your outfit and enhance your confidence. Nail art gives you the opportunity to embrace seasons, holidays, and other occasions creatively and artistically.